Hello, good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you all doing very well. Today is Monday, May 25, 2020, and we are going to start with the English activity number 1. If you remember, we were talking about what events change the world. ¿Qué eventos cambian al mundo? Okay, so let's continue with this topic. Okay, for this first exercise, I wanted you to write into title, think and answer. Let's check this question. How would the world be different without these achievements? ¿Cómo sería el mundo diferente sin estos logros? Add 4 sentences more. Agrega 4 oraciones. Okay, check the example here. Without the invention of the phone, we wouldn't have had efficient communication. Sin la invención del teléfono, nosotros no tendríamos comunicación eficiente. Okay, check the other example. Without the achievement of Amelia Earhart, did you remember Amelia Earhart? She was the first woman that take a flight in an airplane. Without the achievement of Amelia, generation of women would not have had the chance to be pilots. Sin el logro de Amelia, generaciones de mujeres no habrían tenido, okay, remember the auxiliary would, that means that you are going to add the ending ría. Este auxiliar, al conjugarlo con otro verbo, yo cambio el tiempo a la terminación ría. Would not have had, okay, the chance to be pilots. Sin el logro de Amelia, generaciones de mujeres no tendrían, wouldn't have had the chance to be pilots, la oportunidad de ser pilotos. Okay, so I wanted you to think in other important events that you know. It can be related with the important people that we check at the beginning of this lesson, or it can be with another important inventions that you consider nowadays. Okay, pueden ser con los autores que estuvimos repasando al inicio de la lección, o puede ser con algunos de los inventos que tú consideres que son importantes hoy en día. So I wanted you to write 4 sentences here. Remember that I wanted you to use this structure. Would not have had. It can be negative or it can be positive. In this case, if you want to make it positive, you need to take it out, quitar, not. Okay, check. Without, then something that you're going to change. That expression, we would have had or we wouldn't have had. Nosotros tendríamos o nosotros no tendríamos. And the complement, okay? So, start to work with your sentences. Then when you finish, let's go with the next activity. You can pause the video and copy in your notebook or start to edit the PowerPoint presentation. Are you ready now? Okay, let's continue with the exercise number 2. Copy and complete the table with warfare words. Some words can go in more than one column. And did you remember what are the warfare words? We checked in the last class on Tuesday. Okay, check. I put here the list for you. Ally, attack, battle, bomb, civilian, defend, invade, muscle, rebel, refugee, siege, surrender, terrorist, and war. Okay, so I wanted you to use this list to complete the other chart. Okay, check. Remember that all the verbs are actions. Todos los verbos son acciones. An action is something that you can do. For example, here, I run in the morning. She runs in the morning. He runs in the morning. Okay, are action. Verbs are action. Something that you can do. For the second column, I wanted to write a noun. Noun related with people. Okay, for example, here I put ally. Okay, so that word means aliado. I'm talking about people. Estoy hablando de personas. But remember that a noun is also things and events. Acuérdate que los sustantivos también son cosas y eventos. So, I wanted you to put here the other words. So you can check in the other presentation where I put the word class. Donde puedes checar en otra presentación donde te puse the word class. The word class, that means if that word is a verb, a noun, or an adjective. And you complete, or you can research on the internet to complete. Okay? Okay, so I will help you with the words that can be in more than one column. Te voy a decir las palabras que se repiten en más de una columna. The words that repeat are bottle, okay? Bottle. What is that word? Let me show you. Bottle, it can be a verb, but it also can be a noun because we are talking about a thing. Okay, other word that can be repeated here is where is rebel, okay? Because that means revelar, so it's a verb, but also it can be what? Do you know? It can be a noun as a people, okay? Because that can mean, eso puede significar revelar, pero también puede significar rebelde. That is a people that is against something, okay? So, okay, let's check in the list. Another word that can be in two columns is surrender. Okay, surrender, it can be in the first column first, but it also must be in nouns for things and events. Okay, so surrender, you must copy here in the verb and nouns as things and events. Okay, so we repeat here the words. Bottle is a verb and is an event as well. Okay, rebel is a verb and is a noun as people, and surrender is a verb and also it is a noun as a thing and events. Okay, so you complete the order. You can research on internet or in the presentation. For the next exercise, we continue with the exercise 3. Match warfare words with the definitions. Okay, so I wanted you to use this list again and you complete. The number 1, to give yourself up to an enemy. Number 2, a person who is not in the armed forces. 3, surrounder of a place to make the people inside surrounded. Number 4, a person forced to leave home due to disaster or war. Number 5, a country that helps and supports another. Number 6, the use of violence to achieve a political goal. Okay, you can check the definitions and complete. In the next video, we're gonna check the answer. or I can post you in a comment. Now let's continue. This is the last exercise for this activity, and you are going to answer the question. Question number 1, what historical wars do you know of? ¿Acerca de qué guerras históricas conoces? What wars are happening now? ¿Cuáles guerras están pasando ahora? And number 3, can you name any famous rebels? ¿Puedes nombrar algunos rebeldes famosos? Or that is something that important that you know, you can write here, or you can research on internet. When you finish, send me this activity, attach your document. You can take the photos of your notebook, or you can edit. So when you finish, wait for the next activity. Thank you for watching, and continue working.